Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make delicious vegetarian steamed okra recipe. Hope you like it. In this recipe, we will use cabbage to make vegetarian fried onions. The fried onions add a lot of flavor to the dish. This recipe is so easy to make and suitable to make during busy working days. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: okra, lady's fingers, cabbage. The surface of okra is prickly, so just use the back of a knife or kitchen towel to gently scrape off the fine hairs on the surface. Wash and shredded cabbage. Wash and drizzle cooking all on okra, and it's ready to be steamed. Steam at 105 degrees for approximately 15 minutes. Do not overcook that it will affect its texture. Once okra is cooked, remove from steamer and set aside. Okra will turn darker shade once it's cooked. Let's make vegan fried scallion now with shredded cabbage. Pour cooking all into the pan. You can add more because you want to fry the cabbage over medium heat. This step requires patience and frying until the cabbage turns golden brown. Tips: if the oil temperature is too low, the onions will absorb too much oil and taste greasy. If the oil temperature is too high, it is easy to be burnt on the outside and raw on the inside. It is recommended to use a thermometer or put a small piece of onion to test the oil temperature. If the onion quickly floats and bubbles, it means the oil temperature is appropriate. If the quantity is large, it is recommended to fry in batches and not put too many onions at one time, so as to avoid a sudden drop in oil temperature and affect the frying effect. Frying in batches can ensure that each piece of onion is evenly heated and crispy. After frying the onions, place them on kitchen paper to absorb excess oil, which can keep them crispy and reduce greasiness. Vegan fried shallot is done. Place fried shallots on okra. Drizzle with soy sauce or scallion soy sauce. Appetizing steamed okra with vegan fried shallot is ready to be served. This recipe requires more patience and time for deep frying the onions. You can also fry the vegetarian onions first and have them ready whenever you want. Notes: be careful of hot oil splashing when frying to avoid burns. You can use long chopsticks or tongs to operate and keep a safe distance. Hope these tips can help you make delicious vegetarian fried onions. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Benefits of okra. Okra, also known as lady's finger or lady's finger, is a nutritious vegetable native to Africa and now widely grown in tropical and subtropical regions. It not only has a unique taste, but also has a variety of health benefits. Here are the main benefits of okra. Rich in nutrients, okra is rich in vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin K and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, which help maintain the normal function of the body. High in fiber, okra is rich in dietary fiber, which helps promote digestion, prevent constipation, and support intestinal health. Low in calories. Okra is low in calories and is suitable for people who are losing weight or controlling their weight. Antioxidant. Okra contains a variety of antioxidants, such as polyphenols and flavonoids, which help fight free radicals, reduce oxidative stress, and slow down aging, regulate blood sugar. The mucilage and fiber in okra help slow down the absorption of sugar, help stabilize blood sugar levels, and are beneficial for diabetics. Notes: okra contains oxalic acid, and patients with kidney stones should eat it in moderation. Okra has fine hairs on its surface. Some people may be allergic to it, so it should be washed thoroughly before consumption. In short, okra is a nutritious vegetable with many health benefits, suitable for moderate intake in daily diet. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.